Okay.
You'll try somewhere else? You can't have sex in a month, you'll try somewhere else?
Whoa, now we're filming.
Now that's really bad.
Yeah. Just having a pre-discussion.
Pre-discussion about the husband in the doghouse.
Yeah, I'm in the doghouse today. The husband in the doghouse. And we have some other fine folk with us who are going to shield me and protect me from my wife.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
As if you can't stand on your own.
Yeah. By tomorrow, everything will be okay. We love each other. We're beyond counseling. But anyways. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
There.
Hello to me.
See, that was that's a nice.
Nice pussy, nice pussy.
Stooks.
Nice.
Yeah.
Stop it, Simon.
So, anyways, beautiful day here. The sun has come out a little bit today. We had our staff meeting this morning.
That's why he's in the doghouse.
We were standing in the grass and the ants were climbing up all of us, the small little fire ants.
Oh yeah, note that I wasn't there when some important things happened because I made all of them coffee and tea.
Yes.
That would be the good mother and wife.
You gotta get it all out, Shirley.
That's not even all out yet.
But
I'm being very mild.
nice meeting.
Nice meeting, eh?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know. I wasn't there.
Well, our staff is pretty happy to be able to continue work.
Yeah.
Yes, we are so
with
happy.
all the help of many people.
Yeah.
So we're thankful towards getting almost to the end of the year. We have enough help from our former guests and friends to be able to continue working.
As you know, I didn't even know that because Darryl and Elia talk about these things, and I find out way later, maybe almost at the same time as the staff. But all of you, I am so grateful to every one of you and love you.
And we made I made a big announcement without my wife at the meeting. That's why I'm in the doghouse. I didn't notice it at the time, but I sure notice it now.
No, I was told I need to make tea and coffee on time for this chat. So and it's not like I was late for anything.
Yeah. So we're grateful that with a generous donation of a guest and the hope of the future, we bought land to start our health center for the village, just behind Dashir. It's almost 8 acres of land. So it gives us work to do also for the next 6 to 12 months. Who knows how long it's going to be.
I can have a baby in there.
Oh, no. I thought there was... No, I won't say anything now.
I know, sure.
Yeah. How is that going to happen?
Yeah, sure, so we're into the doghouse for a month.
Maybe a grandkid.
So, anyways, it's a real miracle for Dashir and also for our village.
Yeah.
And because of God's good people, all the place that we can continue, we can be together. Yeah, so we had a long meeting this morning, almost an hour. The people were grateful, giving thanks and
Almost
happy.
an hour?
Yeah.
It was
It's-
very long meeting.
Yeah.
Almost an hour.
Okay, let's just carry on with talking about the mines, maybe.
So once again, thanks to all who've helped, and if any of you wish to continue to help us through this time for our staff families to get a salary, just give me an email and I'll get back to you. So anyways, we started talking about the Tanzanite mines.
Laizer hasn't given us any money yet. I'm still not getting any further ahead. Actually, Laizer should be building the whole clinic because he's the richest man right now.
Yeah. So any news on Laizer? How he's doing?
Just
He's
want to
helping
help
lots of
more
people.
Yeah.
He
He's
better,
also,
he'll be kicked out of his Kijiji.
He had a big party. I saw on
I heard.
and call everybody. You have some barbecue.
Okay.
It was a big show, and
We
one
weren't
of them
invited.
I think had a song for him.
What?
Yes,
One of the guys had a song for Laizer.
Paulo Kuria, one of the guys, is a singer of gospel.
He wrote a song.
Music. Yeah, he wrote a song for him.
Got paid for that too, I'm sure.
Probably yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it too. So I think he killed
I'll sing a song.
cows.
4 cows.
4 cows.
I'll go sing
All
a
the
song
village
for him.
babies came,
6 cows.
6 cows?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Laizer would know that.
And then also starting to finish the mall.
Building a mall in Arusha.
In Arusha, yes.
he
Where
already
is he
had
building?
started it before.
Yeah,
to
started before.
Sakina.
Sakina?
Yeah,
I don't
Finishing it.
know. The one on the right side?
the road to go to
Garmatoni.
Yes.
It's on the right hand side, the
Yes,
Clint, the,
Yeah.
is it that place where they sell all the liquor in the front, that small one?
Yeah.
That mall,
Yeah.
where they have just a little grocery store.
Yeah.
Okay, I've been in there.
Okay. Well, Leah, we were chatting to you last time about some of your experiences in the mines.
Yes.
I guess my guess is that you got into it hoping you're going to make a lot of money.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, why do you go into a hole for up to 12 hours at a time unless it's about some money? There's nothing that can keep you there except maybe some money.
Yeah.
So, and you did it for 7 years.
Yes, for 7 years.
And how was the money?
Like I said earlier, I got nothing. So I mean, money was difficult because was no payment. So what do you? I was just working and just looking if I get stone, just maybe I can sell and get some money. But unfortunately, I didn't get anything. So at the
They don't give you any pay at all? Not
No,
even
no,
an
no.
hourly wage?
no, nothing.
Is that the way it is right now too?
Nowadays, almost everything is starting changing now. Some mines they are paying their workers a little, man, not very much. But all days, those days was nothing.
What kept you going for 7 years? That's a long time.
You know,
Not
to be
get-
there when you're working there is hope. Maybe today I'll get
Yeah.
maybe tomorrow.
Yeah. And did you see other people getting Tanzanite?
Few, not many.
Not many.
No, few of them, not
I
many.
would have lost it, not even a year.
Not
Not even a day.
Not even a day, you are so right. And especially when in that time, even in a year, not seeing anybody get anything, the longer you stay, you know, it's like the lottery. The chances get lower and lower and lower,
yes.
you know?
Yeah. So what were you actually using tools and digging by hand or machines?
No, they use the owners of Tanzanite mining. They use machine, like I said, compressor,
Mm-hmm.
and there is they make explosion
Yes.
underground.
Mm-hmm.
So for us, my tools was just
You're
torch.
clearing.
Yeah.
You're not digging. You're
No.
taking all the stuff out.
No.
That's the big job.
No, that is a big job. What they use is just they makes explosion and us just we go underground and just took away the
So it's
soil.
spade or
Spade.
buckets or
We use the back bags,
bags.
cement
Cement
bags,
bags.
cement bags.
Oh,
Ay,
okay.
ay, ay.
Well, just like we take out of our holes here at Dashir when we
Yeah,
dig a
absolutely.
hole,
Yes,
Exactly the same.
and
Yeah,
you
exactly
lift
the same.
and you lift by hand,
by hand,
or is there a conveyor, a power conveyor belt
by hands.
by hand?
Why do you
That
think
is
he
why my
Had stones in his ears. You're
Yes,
lifting
because-
up.
So you're always like this.
like this.
Because you
someone-
can't stand. Right?
Yes.
You can't stand. Because if you're sitting in a certain place, it's like you're here with the bag, you have to stand
It-
like that.
Is it a shaft that goes horizontally
And
or
sometimes-
vertically?
No,
Straight up.
sometimes it go like this. You have to stand.
Yes.
In the layer, I think.
Yes, and some areas it go like
Some horizontal
like
where you
so.
can
I
just
would
barely
die
get
a
in.
Mhm.
million deaths. I'm claustrophobic.
So what we work with just someone stand down. The bottom, and you have to be on top. So just catch this and pass each other. So I used to use this side only.
Oh yeah.
That is why all sides like this.
Yeah. Got your ear full.
Yes,
Is your ear cleaned out now? Or might there be something?
maybe something still inside.
Maybe
but,
something still
No,
inside.
it's better.
It's better.
Yes.
Maybe Tanzanite.
No.
That would be funny, eh?
Let's start digging.
The last
Yeah.
piece, it's
I think we need to go for an operation.
Nothing there.
It
Just
might be true.
no,
All the
that
years
is
you're
not true.
carrying
Can you imagine?
And you don't know.
Whoa.
You just saw it.
And what you went in it for the money. What made you say that's it?
Yes, I went there for money. But after 7 years, as you know, was a very difficult job and just walking and walking. And then I got married 2003.
2003.
And three.
Yeah.
And we got our firstborn 2003, I think was November. And then 2000, after 2 years later, life was so tough. Even the food and everything was, sometimes my family slept hungry, no food. So I thought, my goodness, now I'm just...
When the kids started coming, that changed your mind a bit.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then I realized that, I have to leave this place. So and then later I moved. That is why I left there.
Okay.
So I have one question. I need to know about the food when you go down. What
You
time
guys speak a bit louder.
What time you can eat the food when you go down? Or you eat
No
breakfast?
food. No food. It depends. Like I said, no payment, so no money. Sometimes we go hungry. I mean,
You have to provide your own food.
You have to provide your own food.
Ooh-wee.
No food.
Ah, you sick?
So you go down and walk, and then
I'm
later
not
after
so
3, 10, or after 10 hours, sometimes even 16 hours. Walking
No food.
underground. No food.
But water.
Just
Obviously.
water only. Even water was not often you can get
I
some
see.
water. It's because it was difficult to afford even to buy some water. So
And then he also talked Darryl about how the generator wouldn't work, and then they got no air down there too.
Yeah, sometimes it's very dangerous. We talked about that last
Oh, we
time, I
did?
think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
lost track.
It seems like a little while.
I know.
So it's mostly, to do stuff like that, it has to be young guys. You know, once you get older, you can't do that
You can't.
anymore. Your body can't survive.
yes,
So
most of the workers.
Once you get to 30 even, it's difficult.
it's
Probably.
very difficult.
You have to be like in your 20s,
Mm-hmm.
probably.
Yes.
Not young and dumb.
It's very difficult. Well, we're glad you're here.
Thank you.
And that experience, I'm sure, has shaped your life
Absolutely.
and made you realize what's important in life. Yeah. And it's not Tanzanite.
No, it's not Tanzanite.
He had a name even. I think
He had a name.
he had a name. When you go there, you have names.
Uh-huh. Like nickname.
No,
Yeah, nicknames.
Nyoka.
All workers.
Nyoka.
Nyoka.
Miners. Yeah, it depends. Nyoka is the assistants of the leader. They call Nyoka.
Nyoka.
If you are assistant, for
That's a
example,
snake.
you are my leader, I'm your
Snake.
assistant to carry your stuff or
So
something.
you're Nyoka.
They call Nyoka. But all the workers, I mean miners, they call nickname Wanapolo or Manapolo. The
Wanapolo.
person who is working here to the mine.
What does that mean?
Manapolo is just the general. I mean, for all workers, they call them Wanapolo.
I think it's a nickname.
Oh, just a nickname. No, it doesn't have a meaning.
No.
Okay. Laizer.
Naam.
Swali, Jeremy, you can translate. Kwa nini Masai wengi wanafanya Tanzanite?
Why many Masai are working in the Tanzanite? What?
Ndio maana mawe ni nzuri.
Ongea na mimi.
Mawe ni nzuri sana Tanzania.
They like it because the rocks are very nice.
Oh, okay.
Money,
Yeah.
Na soko sana.
and also marketing.
For the market. Okay. So kwa zamani ni Masai wameanza kuvuna.
Ndio wasamani watu wachache Nyanza.
Masai nyingi.
Masai ya
Wengi.
pia kwa upande ya Simanjiro.
Oh, okay.
Nyanza.
Kwa ajili ya eneo ni Masai zaidi.
Ndio.
Okay. Unajua mtu. So, anyways, Jeremy, you have a job.
Yeah.
Okay, there's lots of people living close to the area, and so it's mostly Masai who started.
It's because of most of the Masai are in that area.
Yeah,
So, and they end up doing that job.
Yeah.
Because it's close to where they live. That's
Una-
the reason why, yeah.
unajua mtu ya kwanza ameanza.
Do you know the first person who started?
Kwa mwanzo ameanza lakini sasa hivi imekuwa wachache.
Okay,
Wengine
ni miaka ngapi iliyopita?
mrefu sana. Hata mimi mdogo sana.
20 au?
Hata mimi niko 23.
Kama tumeanza
Wameanza wengine.
ni kweli.
Bado mimi mdogo.
So 23 years?
Yes,
It's only 23 years that they started mining.
More than,
I think more than 23.
maybe.
More than that?
More than
1990s maybe.
Okay,
1990.
so 30.
Yeah, something like that.
It's not very long.
It's not very
1970
You
something.
mean when they started?
But here,
To mine the
Maran
Tanzanite.
become popular.
Yeah.
No, they started in 1967. The first person
Oh,
discovered the Tanzanite.
1967 was first discovered.
1967,
So almost 50 years ago.
Yeah. 1967.
Over 50
I
years
think
ago.
we are talking about the Maasai when they
You mean the Maasai?
came there.
When they
Yeah,
started
Started
to,
go there.
to do the business.
Because they used to see those rocks, but they didn't know what it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Lakini Mererani mambo mengi sana, maana naingilia bahati inaongea pepo
Yeah.
mambo mengi.
He's saying
About demons, witchcraft.
yeah. He's saying there's some other things that are not good that surround the mining, which we won't get into in this
Can't get into
in this
that
session.
because-
But if you come to Dashir, we can chat some more.
Not really.
So I think that'll be it for today. We are grateful for Laizer and Elia joining us on our chat show. Santeni sana.
Asante sana.
Mungu akubariku, bariki. God bless you guys. And yeah, so we'll see you again next week.
Thank you.
Quite today, Mama. Oh, I'm still in the doghouse.
You are still in the
when she doesn't say anything, trouble.
Trouble is coming.
Yeah, trouble. I'm going to have to go with the workers far today, and they'll shield me. Maybe by the end of the day, things will be okay. That's good lemon loaf, eh?
Yes.
You guys try. Oh, you haven't even started.
Oh, we haven't tried yet.
Yeah, lemon loaf today.
Laizer,
Lemons from the farm?
this is from Mama.
No,
No.
It's not from
the village. This is like Canadian lemons, big yellow.
Oh, okay. This is not the season for lemons for
We
us.
don't have our lemons right now. We have limes.